So while others pay for signals, you can actually as well get signals directly in Exness. Well, they're not really exactly as signals, and you're not supposed to really just use them the way they come. They're simply there to help you, okay, analyze the charts better or see what other analysts are doing. So what you need to do is when you log into your Exness, click on Analytics, then click on Analyst Views. So on the Analyst Views, so we're going to find, okay, some of the analysis you can actually use in your trading. So for example, right now, the good thing about this is that they're going to show you even the date when these analyses were made. So you can choose either from Forex to crypto or stocks indices, whatever you trade. So for example, if you choose this one, okay, you're given like this pair is a USD and the South African currency, and you will also be given a chart. And when you look at the chart, you can see how they even tell you what they're actually predicting. So they are predicting the expecting price to go up from 18.55 to 18.74. You're actually given two take profits, which is the first one is 18.68 and the last one is 18.74. So remember, yeah, this analysis may appear good, but remember not to take them the way they are. Make sure that you incorporate or follow your strategy and know how much should you risk or know how much should gain, and don't just take the take profit which is shown here. Take what your strategy says. So these are some of the uh, analysis you can use as signals to help you in your trading. So if we go to the crypto, you can see the stellar and the dollar. Yeah. So I guess this is it about this. If you don't have an account with Exness, create one right now. The link is in the description. Bye for now.